Do you know boxer dog history? When we see appearance of boxer dog, then many questions regarding boxer dog origin, history and ancestors hit our mind. Do you know that boxers were a part of the army? They part of army in World War I and World War II. They have record-breaking speed and amazing strength that is commendable. Let us have a look at boxer dog origin, history and ancestors. Where do boxers come from? What is their history? Well, boxers were basically originated in Germany. Germany is a country that touches the North Sea and is located in Europe. Boxer was a refined breed in the Germany and exhibited great size. People wanted to build brave boxer's dog with huge size for their fighting purpose. With the passage of time, now boxer's dogs used in our homes. You can watch in this video. This high-energy and adorably large guard dog breed love kids and can easily play with them without getting tried. Highly active and energetic. Boxers show great bond with kids and considered as the kind friendly dog. Hence there exists no potential for any sort of problem between boxer and kids. Boxers are such a breed of dogs which is highly popular among children and is known for its amazing ways and dealing with the children. Generally, boxer goes well with other dogs and does not fight with them on its own. But any trigger can make him show a bit aggressive behavior, or they compelled to show a response in such circumstances. However, they require consistent leadership. They exhibit great endurance and show good temperament. Are boxer good with cats? As the attitude of a boxer is concerned with cats, it shows great response and good nature with cats. Boxer dogs socialize frequently and go well with many other dogs. Even boxer dog love to enjoy with cats too. Is a boxer on the restricted breed list? Boxer does not fall on the restricted breed list. It amazingly secures a good position as they are playful dogs, intelligent and are of high energy. They love being surrounded by pet owner kids and other loyal pets. This breed outstandingly guards your family. Boxer dogs are one of the popular breeds worldwide and known for their happy behavior. How to train your dog. Set up healthy training routine where you can teach your boxer dog how to behave and lower their anxiety-aggressive streak. Key time to train is before the meal, where you can teach them how to sit, behave and wait for the food. Keep on repeating the routine for a few days till your boxer dog is aware of the good and bad behavior, and this will reduce their chances of showing aggression. Thanks for watching. Visit our website. All information about Boxer. www.bestdogfoodforboxers.com